Is there going to be a coalition between PDDS or PDP with Lakas CMD?
No.
No?
No, I cannot. Because nandyan si Marcos. Hindi ako believe na he's really a weak leader. Kaya ako sabi, totoo yan, hindi ako naninira na tao. Talagang weak. Kasi spoiled child, only son. Of course, he can talk. He delivers English articulate. Pero aral kasi kung saan-saan sa labas. Pero sabihin mo may crisis, gano'n. He's a weak leader. At saka may bagahe siya. Noon nga sinasabi ko sa'yo. Totoo yan. I do not voice lies. Masisira ka. Pero bantay ka, kamali ang Pilipinas na